It came upon a midnight clear, that glorious song of war.
Hey, Grandma.
Yes, my love.
What are you doing?
Me I make sorrel.
Sorrel.
Listen, Natalie. You see this sorrel here? Nobody touch it. Me have plans for this here sorrel here.
What do you mean? Seriously, Grandma? I'm not getting any?
Then Natalie, me not always make sorrel give you every year. Eh?
So you're gonna give it to strangers instead of your own flesh and blood?
Then Natalie, if me want give it to strangers, and my business that.
I'm your granddaughter.
Yes, you is my granddaughter. But if me want give to strangers, I know my business that.
That's not right, Grandma. That's not fair and that's not right.
You know what? She can't stand the vex. I have plans for this, you know. I go call that restaurant, the name Casual Restaurant. And I go see if them want a couple buckle of sorrel for the restaurant, yeah, man.